So if you follow the content, you'll know we just sold a house, right? We sold the property, we're out of it, we're done with it. But 2 days later, I get a call, right? The heat went out. So if you go back to the previous video, I went over all the numbers, what we bought it for, what we sold it for, the construction, all the holding costs, cost of the money. Got out of this deal, we made our profit, everybody's happy, holidays are here, we got a check, sold the house, right? Before it even hit on the market, right? So today I want to cover you what happens after we sell the property. Nightmares can happen after you sell the property, even at Christmas time. And I want to share with you a nightmare that happened to me here at this Christmas. Merry Christmas to you from the Haskins family. Greetings, class. It's Kris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. So today I'm going to bring you into my world. Merry Christmas from the Haskins family. We are glad that you are supporting our channel. We did a flip sold it a few weeks back. And if you want to see the numbers on that flip, just go right up here. There's gonna be a video right in the corner there. You can see all the numbers break down. I'll walk you through the property. You can see this was a 3,000 square foot house. We spent like almost 60,000 on the reno. Now that playlist will walk you step by step from A to Z, how we found it and all that stuff. But today I'm sharing with you a Christmas nightmare roundup that I'm having. 2 days after we sold the house, the heat goes out on the property, right? So we have two options, right? We can either say, you know what, not my problem. The house, the heat worked during the home inspection. We had it serviced by a professional central heating and air company. Everybody was happy. The buyers was happy when they went through the property. It worked fine. Deal with it. You deal with it. That's one way we could look at it. The other way is the way that I subscribe through the currency that I live by, doing to others as you would have them doing to you. And what happens is the more you give to your market, the more your market will take care of you, okay? So Ryan and I decided, you know what, 2-3 days after we sold the property, the heat goes out, we get it inspected. The HVAC guy says, you know what, can't be fixed, got to put a new one in there. So if you look at the video, I'm going to show you what we're having to do. Oh man, this is a nightmare, y'all, having to put a new electrical wire in there. And if you pay close attention in the great room where the electrical panel is, you'll see that it's vaulted ceilings, right? The ceilings go up to the top like this, so there's no room to run a wire up there. So they're having to, there's no room to access, generally speaking, you have an attic where the electrician can walk up there and put wires and storage and all that stuff. Not in this house. I didn't get that lucky. Vaulted ceilings, no attic. So they're having to bust holes in the walls. Take a look at that video. They're having to actually run every 2 feet, they got to bust a new hole just to run this wire. And it's just been a nightmare for me, roundup. How much sheetrock repair am I going to have to do right at Christmas time? And I'm thankful. I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you know that this is the business. Things happen, right? So watch as we go down to the house. You'll see the electrician talk about it. Go ahead and take a look at that so you'll see what I have to deal with right at Christmas time.
You went to hospital on the 20th?
Where did you get this thing?
Where do you live?
Unbelievable.
Yeah, wired for a,
Like, he has roommates or by himself?
Go ahead, Bush.
we wired for a keyless up there with a receptacle.
Keyless?
You gotta have a light up there.
Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right.
Yeah, so that's wired for.
Bush, how in the heck did you figure this out here? How did you do this?
That's what I do, man.
I was thinking that you might want to put it outside.
No, that's ugly.
Yeah, I knew it would be ugly.
It's ugly.
This is unbelievable. So the line, you're going to go there and pull it all the way up here and take it through the damn ceiling. Oh my gosh. Bush, you or something. So the reason you got to do this. Okay, so over here you good. You don't got nothing over here. No hole. Everything. The problem is here.
The hole is only one hole upstairs. upstairs. Second floor and the bedroom up high. That's it.
What I'm saying, you got room to work over here.
No,
I mean, you have attic space.
no.
Oh,
It's going straight up.
Oh, okay, straight up
It
here.
goes straight up in the bedroom.
I see.
But then goes in that.
I got you.
You got a pinpoint where you at.
It's unreal, man.
Yeah. See what it is up here? It's got a gap like that
Yeah.
in the center.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you take a fish rod, take one of those yellow things I got outside, you run across the top,
You got
and
it.
tie your wire and just pull it.
Unbelievable, bro. You know what, though? I expected worse, to be honest.
No, here's the plugs for the guy right here. I told you, guy.
What's top?
Top all the plugs right there.
All right.
We just took them back in the ceiling. Right here.
Mud them up.
That's it.
So what we're gonna do is here,
Put a board across it.
cut all these out.
Yeah. Take a board and put it across it. Board across up there. Put one screw, and put one in the center.
Then mud it real good. It's a good idea. Bro. I see what you're saying. So he's gonna mud this stuff. So that'll be a fast fix right there.
Oh, wow.
It's still 2 days though. Bush, you the man, dog.
Yeah, told you.
Bush, I'm telling you, this dude, whew, it's unbelievable.
Okay.
So that line is coming from the panel. The panel's in here. You run it up there. The heat pump will run it out, and then we got the new one going upstairs. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness gracious! Now we gotta put the new heater in here. They busted all that open here too. So you got room up there. Is there any holes down here? Is there any holes in the walls down here too? Okay, so we got one hole there going up. So if you notice, coming up, that's where the vaulted ceiling was there. So they brought it down. It looks like they just fishing it right up there through the wall. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. So you'll also notice these guys cut a bigger hole in the access to the attic where the air handler was installed. So I got how much more sheetrock repair to do, which is nothing but a check, right? We just got to deal with it. So I'm having to spend $4,000 after we sell the property. How do you like that? Having to spend money on a house that we don't even own anymore. All right. So Merry Christmas to the buyers of this property, because your boy, listen, I firmly believe I have to treat people right. If I don't treat them right, they won't treat me right, okay? So listen, this is just a short Christmas nightmare story I wanted to share with you, but I still want you to have a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, because we are here at the Haskins household. We aren't moving. We're still on the property. We're having our Christmas dinner here shortly, and I'm thankful. Once again, I am just so thankful you allow me to pour into you and take care of people, Roundup. If anything you get out of this video, take care of people. Even if they don't take care of you, go above and beyond. What I've noticed, if you show the marketplace that you are a professional, you are an expert, and you know how to deal with people, and you're going to do the right thing by people, the marketplace will, by default, it has no choice. It has no other option but to open up for you, and the heavens will open up. If you show the marketplace that you are the person that treats it right. If you show money, listen, I will prove to money that I will treat it right. Money will come back to you. I like this guy. I like the way he treats me, so that market will open up for you. Treat people how you want to be treated. Listen, Merry Christmas to you from the Haskins family. Subscribe to the channel, like this content, and share with any other investors that had a problem after they sold a property. And I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever ran into a property after you sold it? Because I remember me, when I bought one of my first houses, the heat went out a few weeks after. I tried to call the seller. They wasn't hearing it. They didn't want to hear from me. I had to deal with it myself, right? That's not how we roll, right? There's $4,000 out of my pocket. I'll suck it up and move on to the next house. Maybe I'll get a referral from this buyer, right? You never know. My name will be good in the streets after this, though. All right, Roundup, I love you. I'll see you soon. It's Kris Haskins over and out. Peace. Oh, Lord. What's that mess? you got here, buddies? It's a mess.